Are you looking to establish yourself as an expert in your field and stand out from the competition? One powerful tool that can help you do just that is an e-learning portfolio. By creating a dynamic and interactive online presence that showcases your skills and expertise, you can attract potential employers or clients and enhance your career prospects. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll explore the power of building an e-learning portfolio and provide tips for creating a strong one that effectively showcases your unique value proposition. What is an e-learning portfolio? An e-learning portfolio is a collection of digital artifacts that showcase your skills, experience, and accomplishments. It includes examples of your work, such as projects you have completed, certifications you have earned, and testimonials from clients and colleagues. An e-learning portfolio can be a website or a digital document that you can share with potential employers or clients. An e-learning portfolio has numerous benefits, such as showcasing your skills and experience in a dynamic and interactive way. By displaying your work and accomplishments, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and build credibility. Additionally, creating a professional online presence helps you stand out from the competition and demonstrates your passion and commitment to continuous learning and development. This can enhance your career prospects by attracting potential employers or clients who are looking for someone with your specific skills and expertise. There are many examples of successful e-learning portfolios, such as graphic designers who showcase their best work and design process, programmers who include examples of their code and projects they have worked on, teachers who demonstrate their teaching philosophy, lesson plans, and student work, and marketing professionals who highlight their campaigns, analytics, and results. Each of these professionals has created a portfolio that showcases their unique skills and expertise in a way that is compelling and effective for potential clients or employers. To create a strong e-learning portfolio, you should first define your brand identity and value proposition. This means figuring out what makes you unique and why someone should hire or work with you. Once you've done that, choose the right platform and format that best suits your needs. Some people prefer a website, while others prefer a digital document or a combination of both. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.